What'd you say?
Nothing.
Hit the button on the wall.
Yes.
Okay, I'm hitting the button on the wall. What the heck? He disappeared.
On the wall. Yes.
I hit the button.
wall, I said.
Oh! I'm here. Whoa, this is
Okay, guys, I'm
sick.
gonna make a video. Hold on.
Okay.
This is like,
Okay, I'll tell you
this is like good. I'm gonna be a creeper. Do I like morph into a creeper and have like its
Hello,
moves?
everybody. It's Andy_Games98 here, and today I'm here with and Bells 119 and XX Elite Gamer 101 XX. And today I'm gonna be just doing a random recording. And
I have no idea what I'm doing.
It's gonna be probably a series.
Why are you
called
doing a
The
recording while I'm
Random
doing a
Talk with-
recording?
with
Shut up.
Friends.
Shut
And I'm
up.
gonna name our clan Retarded 4.
Ender Island?
I mean, I forgot that one person. That's Nick.
Oh god. Is there double jump? No, there
But
isn't.
this
I'm not
is
prepared
what
for
I mean,
this.
This is like, I guess this is.
There's
just
no
one
like right
talk
click
with
move.
And I'll be recording
whoa, whoa,
more
whoa,
Minecraft
whoa.
videos soon. And hope
No,
to see.
call it
Get
your
off me, son.
See ya.
vlogs. No, call it your vlogs. You need to vlog.
No, get away. No, get away. No, get away. Get set on fire. Why does that thing have knockback? It's so annoying. Who the heck just left? Yeah.
Let me change the difficulties, peaceful. I'm changing my kit. No, I'm changing my kit.
I fell out. No. Wait, where'd they go? Did they leave the thing?
Oh, sorry guys, I just
Changing my kit.
Oh, you left.
Andy, you have to vlog.
Yeah, Andy, you had to vlog, man. Like, what the heck?
What's up, my
I'm doing
dude?
another random video while my other video is just uploading.
Oh, what's up?
Because I'm just so bored. I'm sorry.
Let's pick up the other.
Okay, I'm ready.
Alright, I'm ready.
Let's play on a different map.
All about how my life
Let's play on.
Oh, yeah.
Let's play on the colorful version.
Wait, what class did you choose?
Hey.
What?
Who wants to hear the story about the?
This is the best map ever. Shut up,
That
Andy.
show was the best.
Yeah, it was. But now
But now it's like now the guys smoking weed.
Oh, you're a skeleton. I see what you're doing.
All about how my life
But now he's a bad guy.
Sit right there. Tell you
Okay,
about
let's
the
start
story
recording.
about the Princess of Bel Air.
Okay.
Hello, people. What?
Yeah, bro.
You fat.
Get on my level.
Hello, everybody. It's Andy_Games98 here, and today I'm.
Whoa, you have like rapid fire arrows?
And JR
No.
And just new vlogs.
Dang it. Alright, let's go. Come on.
New awesome vlogs.
2828, and this is gonna be our vlog episode.
Where are you? Shut up, Andy. Holy.
With JR Scuba. And
What the heck is up with that? That's like.
Nicholas
You're using hacks. Holy crud. Well, then what the heck is that?
Play Minecraft today. Actually, I will. Actually, I'll play a Skywars match on the Arkham.
Yeah.
On the Arkham.
Yeah, but this is just. Don't mind him. He's being rude.
Pigman sword for the win. Ain't no one got time for this.